Welcome back. Let's start this new year off right by saving some money and reducing that debt, shall we? All right, Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans is here to cash in on how he can help. We always start off with the rates, where they are, what's going on. Tell us what's happening.
Rates are great right now. 30-year fixed rates, 3.75% right now. Ooh. So really a great opportunity for anybody looking to refinance. I know that's top of mind after the holidays, but also for those of you out there looking to buy. Really helps your buying power in the market.
I know so many people think in the winter that's not the time to buy, but there's some really good deals out there.
Tons of great deals.
Another great thing, though, in the winter might not be the fact that, hey, holidays have been here.
Yeah.
That credit card debt might also be here.
Yeah, we're all going to the mailbox like this.
We're like, I don't know what's in there.
You're like,
but you can help out.
We can help out in a lot of ways. And here's the great thing. We can get you ahead by spending no more money than you are right now in your current situation. So by simply restructuring your debt and putting your equity to work, we're going to show you, one, how to pay your house off more quickly. So you're going to get ahead there. Two, get out from underneath those credit card minimums, get rid of those. And three, put money in your savings account every single month. It's a great way to get ahead. You can win on all three fronts, all with spending no more than you are right now today.
A lot of people think about refinancing and they get a little scared. They think, okay, well, it's going to take so long to actually break even, it's not even worth it. But again, this is a myth that you always are here to bust.
Yeah, for sure, always. I mean, it is a couple of months typically is our break even for most of our clients on a refinance transaction. So this is not a multi-year proposition. It's a couple of months and you are putting real get ahead net dollars back in your own pocket. And again, let's be honest, you can put that money to much better use than your mortgage company can, for sure.
Yeah, I'd rather spend it myself, that's for sure. Another myth that a lot of people think is, okay, if the rate doesn't drop by at least a point, it's not worth it. Oh, I'm going to wait, that kind of thing. Again, you have answers to this.
Yeah, for sure. You know, that was the rule of thumb during our parents' era of borrowing, if you will. You know, when your average house sale was $100,000, that 1% really made a good rule of thumb and a difference. Now, you know, we've got home prices as high as $600,000, $700,000, $800,000. So what you really got to look at is how much are you saving? What is it costing you? What is that break even? And we can run that for you. And again, as we just talked about, it's typically a handful of months. And if it makes sense, take advantage of it right now.
I hear people say all the time, I'm going to wait till the market hits rock bottom, bottom of the market, all of this stuff. But yet when I talk to you, you're like, you don't have to do that.
No, you don't. And again, here's the thing. We wanted people to take a really practical approach to this, right? If you're saving money right now and it makes sense, take it, because it's much more likely rates will go higher than lower. But if they go lower, you're protected with our interest rate guarantee. So here's how this works. Whether you buy or refinance with us, within 2 years of doing a home loan, if rates go down by 0.75% or more, we will refinance that loan with no lender fees, so you can take advantage of falling interest rates and secure a lower monthly mortgage payment as well.
Again, that's a win-win right there in itself. We've got so many happy clients, happy customers. We're going to go ahead and listen to one of them.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
Now, if we do go ahead and decide to refinance, the other thing is, I don't want to have to reset my loan. Maybe I've made some progress in that loan. I don't want to do another 30-year.
Well, for sure. You know, if you're someone who's paid 6 years of your 30-year mortgage down, you don't want to add those 6 years back on.
No.
And you can't necessarily afford to jump ahead and eliminate 4 years either. So you need what is called our custom term mortgage. So we can completely customize the term of your home loan so that you can take advantage of those lower interest rates and secure a lower monthly payment, but you don't have to reset the clock with your home loan and start over.
We tell everyone to call. In fact, if you do, it's 303-867-7000. But what will people learn when they call you guys?
Well, I think the thing that people are most taken back by when they call our office is that we start with asking you what it is you're trying to accomplish. And that's so unique in our industry because most of the time you get a hold of a loan officer and they start telling you, here's our rates and here's our fees and here's what you should do and this is the loan for you. Well, we don't know what the loan for you is until we have a conversation. You know, we have a slogan at Ideal Home Loans: first we listen, then we lend. And that's truly how we operate. We want to find out your short-term and your long-term goals so that we can completely customize a home loan that works for you and your family. And believe it or not, we can get you in a position where your home loan's working for you rather than you just working to make your payment every month.
Yeah, it's always nice to have that choice. Totally. Now, everyone has a lot of choices, in fact. In fact, we all know that. That's no secret. But you are local. and you're not a broker. Those
No.
two things make a big difference.
They really do. You know, look, knowing the lay of the land and Ideal Home Loans being headquartered here helps our clients out a lot. You know, we know there are some pockets, there's some nuances to lending here. So you want to deal with somebody who does know that. The other thing too, direct lender. This is a huge, huge thing. If you went through the process before and it was a nightmare, it is not about the process itself. It's about who you used, and you likely used a mortgage broker. And here's why. The mortgage broker doesn't have any control. They're at the mercy of the bank, and whatever the bank dictates to them, they have to dictate to you. With us being a direct lender, we're in control of the whole thing. We're lending our own money. We can make this process fast, simple, and most importantly, easy.
Easy. And also, your lending specialists aren't, they're salaried.
Yeah,
So that also
salary-based.
that plays a big difference too. It's not out, they're not pushing it on you.
And again, this was by design. We want you to be able to call and have a very open conversation about what your situation is. And they're simply there to advise you what are the best next steps. And you know what? A lot of the time we tell you the best step is don't take a step at all. Stay exactly where you're at.
Don't do anything, yeah.
And we don't have a problem with telling you that because that's the right way to handle our clients.
Well, Brent, it's always good talking to
Yeah,
you.
me
And
too.
this is a perfect time to be giving you guys a call. Go ahead,
sure.
303-867-7000 now to schedule your free mortgage consultation. Start saving and manage that debt. Act now to start your refinance process. Your first new payment not due until April of 2020. Learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's interview. Stay with us.